Okay, our next presenter with the study entitled Improvement of Handset Assembly Process at Refurbishing Company, Ms. Villaluz Jovelin.
Good afternoon, panelists. I'm Jovelyn Villaluz, and I will be discussing project study about the improvement of handset assembly process at the refurbishing company. To begin with, background of the study, company offers the best repair solution for the LCD motors and handset devices, bringing up customer satisfaction for exceptional quality of service. Quality assured that company assured all parts coming from supplier have been inspected to be coming quality control or IQC. This inspection reduces or eliminate communication issues regarding production timelines, shipping dates, quality expectations, and other between company and supplier. Handset assembly process encountered widespread issue on liquid crystal mold or LCM that resulting to downtime. This issue occurs during handset assembly process. IQC has no detection on how to track the widespread issue on LCM. Widespread reject rate up to 0.44% for a total of 90 units and 12,152.84 possible revenue loss originating in the company. This issue quickly caught the attention of management. Operation Quality Engineering or OQE discussed the workaround of the widespread issue. They found a quick solution to at least lessen the widespread and to support the production. Engineering created a download to quickly address the issue of handset assembly process. Based on evaluation through MSA inspection, Donald Gojin has a high over-rejection rate. The accumulated defect reached to 2,436 display units. This is lost opportunity for the business in terms of revenue amounting to $328,937 a month. And for the objectives, number 1 is to design and improve handset assembly process at the refurbishing company. 2 is to develop the improved handset assembly process. 3, evaluate the improved handset assembly process in terms of efficiency, effectiveness, and cost. Conceptual framework. Input. Existing handset assembly process. Process model. Process. Development of improved handset assembly process. Data gathering and analysis. Design the improved handset assembly process and evaluation. And for the output, improve handset assembly process. Propose improvement. Conducted process mapping to fully understand the process and to determine the focus area. The process highlighted in red is the potential location where widespread can improve. Propose improvement. The commonly display aligner GPUs are made of durable materials such as black bearing or fiberglass. In addition, this jig has the same measurement which fit with LCM. That's why there will be no possibility that it will move during sort inspection. With this, the proposed jig can decrease the process cycle time and resulting to fiber locking. Project study done. We started September 2018 up to April 2019. That's okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. In the review of related literature studies, so that you will be supported appropriately in your study, so try to provide more significant literature studies, those that are really directed to your study, that will provide significance, relationships, and contributory to your study. Right? Now, your research design, yes, you use research and development. It is not a type of research. It is a method of research. Okay? So it is a research and development method of research. And give emphasis that you are utilizing or using R&D, focusing on the design of an improved handset assembly process, and then that will lead you to the development of an improved handset assembly process. Okay? So I hope that you will replace this okay, and describe that appropriately in accordance with the study to conform with your IPO. Okay? Now, also in the procedures, try to incorporate the most specific thing that you are going to design in the process so that it will provide improvement. Okay, so identify that, and then once you have already the resource of side, then you have to develop that for output, and it should be also specifically stated here. Now, for the actual procedures of doing such designing and developing, maybe using some engineering principles, or maybe equations because you will resort to some computations, then discuss that in the related literature. And for you to be assisted, you have to provide other significant concepts, engineering concepts, okay? So that will help you on how to design and develop, okay? With regard to your, you do not get the reference, okay? So include that later on, okay? Engineer Meneses?
Yes, thank you, sir. I would like to ask what is the main focus of the improvement of the assembly, of the handset assembly?
The main focus sir, is to track the white spot, which is the failure of the LCM.
What particular process in the assembly is that the where the white spot occurs?
Then, sir, when attachment of LCM and the enclosure.
Yun. So you have to make mention of that kasi although you included in your background of the study the percent of reject rate, but however you failed to include the processes of assembly of this handset assembly and where does commonly the white spot problem occur. Yeah. So because in your scope and delimitations, actually that's where are you going to use that? Kaya tinanong ko. You have to include in your scope and delimitations that there are a lot of process involved in the assembly, but your focus will be on the stations or process where the white spot occurred. And from what you have answered, so that process should be included in your scope and delimitations. So basically, in improving your process, what are the things that you're going to consider? Is there an introduction of new materials, an introduction of jigs and tools, an introduction of equipment that will be used, or an introduction of man-method machine, or training of manpower or workers in that particular process. So you have to identify that. Kasi para malinaw, okay, the focus of the study is the improvement of assembly, but will focus on this particular process, and there will be modifications on the materials and the jigs and tools that will be used. Okay? So you have also, since nakalagay dito may go, no-go jig ka pa rin. So, what is can you please give us an insight of what is this go, no jig?
Go, no, go, G.
Ano na lang? Sige, sabihin mo na lang.
Ito po kasi yung go, no, go, G. Siya po kasi yung naging corrective action namin, sir, nung nagkaroon po ng white spot issue para lang po to support the production. Then, naano po namin through MSA, to check po kasi kung
Anong method ng MSA ang inyong ginagamit?
yung RR,
Gauge R&R?
opo.
So since meron naman pala kayong data regarding gauge R&R, you try to put that kasi that's a strong evidence on the problem that you have encountered using MSA. Diba? Yung measurement system analysis, and the tool in measurement in MSA is gauge R&R. Ilagay mo doon and that the cost of the defect is from tool. So ibig sabihin, diba? There are two common possibilities when we try to use gauge R&R. It's either inspector fault o kaya ay tool fault. So based on your gauge R&R, yung tool ang may reason kung bakit. So kailangan mong i-devise yung iyong jigs na ginagamit. Yan, yung result ng gauge R&R mo, ilagay mo sa background of the study mo. Kasi magandang study yun eh. Kasi you are supported by statistics, and this tool is very effective in determining the problem in the company, yung gauge R&R. So yun, lagay mo din dito, gauge R&R and MSA. Gauge, MSA, and gauge R&R. So in that sense, in your data analysis, you should be able to include the MSA and gauge R&R kasi dun ginagamit din natin yan pag-analyze ng problem, di ba? Gauge R&R. And in your design, so be expecting that the result of your improvement on the process will go over on the time study, and the jigs design, the improved jigs design will also be part of the design. So your development would be what? A work instruction or a standard operating procedure? Okay, so please take note that the standard operating procedure should be properly designed by the engineering department, implemented, since this will be changes in the process, so retraining on the side of the operators or inspectors will be done. So during the retraining, try to take some photos for the documentation and try to get the attendance of the operators. So para at least we can really validate that you really perform and implement the improved process in your company. Although you'll be presenting us the standard operating procedure of your assembly process. That will go, sir.
Okay, Vice, please.
Okay, so all comments, suggestions already written in your manuscript, so please review that for the improvement of your paper. So for now, thank you and congratulations. Dahan-dahan paglakad na. Taas.
Okay.
Ang taas ang wheels.